Hello, today I'm going to show you how to maneuver through Blackboard. In the username field, put in your 900 number. In the password field, type in your password. Click Sign In. Once you are inside Blackboard, on the left side, click on the button that says Courses. Find the course that you are enrolled in and click. It will take you into My Course section. Next, find the class that you are enrolled in. You will only see your class. If you click the down arrow, it will expand the module. The first item is a link to join the virtual classroom. The second item is a class page. The third item is where you can check your hours. The next item is a folder for previous class sessions, and then the most recent 5 or 6 class session pages will be down below. Click on a particular class session. Everything that we did that day in class, plus extra work if you need extra help, will be listed on this page. The assignments are always in bottom. The links to any of the worksheets, any announcements will always be below. To close out of a class page, click the X, and it will take you back to the module. There are some other important links or sections on our class page. Testing information, scores explained, scheduling a post-test, a link to buy GED Ready Test vouchers, information on applying for the Hope Scholarship, a contact page, the attendance requirements, my class rules and expectations, and an online TI-30XS multi-view calculator emulator.
If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about new videos, please click the notification button.